welcome back to the channel. Today I'm headed over to an investment property that we just picked up. For you guys that are new to the channel, I'm a licensed real estate agent based in Toronto. We're looking in the price range of in between $600,000 to $800,000 to flip a house. I'll release the price, what we bought it for, the location, and what we sold it for once the house is sold. Let's go flip this house. Okay guys, so we're at the house and let me take you for a tour inside and see the house that we bought. So as you walk into the front entrance, you have the stairs that go up and you have this room to the right. And then we have the stairs leading up and the stairs leading to the basement and a door going to the rear yard. So if we come up the stairs and come up to the main living area, now this wall here is what we'll be removing to make it all open concept. The kitchen is right through here. So this will be all the open concept. Once this whole wall is removed, we're making an island here. Has a big bay window. And here's the kitchen, which is all dated. Really solid home. It's just everything's dated. So we're gonna upgrade everything and open this kitchen up so that the island will be here. So this is a 3-bedroom. Here's the washroom. It's all original stuff here. The entrance to the garage, which is a nice size 2-car garage. Another living space here. This space over here, we're going to make an extra room or basement, extra room, bedroom. And see these windows, they're all above ground windows, which are pretty big, nice size. So we have a nice big deck here. Very nice, well-kept yard. The roof has recently been redone. So yeah, as we walk around the house, The perimeter of the house is all very good condition. It's a really nice, solid home. It's just that everything is dated. Now we're gonna come in here and update everything. Yeah, and all new windows we're gonna do. New front doors, front door and rear door. We're gonna take possession very soon, in about a week, and we're gonna start going at it. We want to be in and out of here within 2 months. 2 to 3 months we should be in and out of here. So that's it for a quick little tour, and we'll be starting the reno. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna vlog the whole process. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.